Hey guys, if you have salt, sugar, Irish potato, carrot, flour, minced meat, butter, seasoning cube and some warm water, you can make this delicious and sweet meat pie from the comfort of your home. So guys, let's dive into the video right now.
You don't scatter my head, oh. Asa, asama, asa. I beg you kiss me again, oh. Asa, J, asama, asa. You know say not true. I go do anything for you. Asam pete wanyoma. If you name me masobugomo, asa. Na me and you go live, oh. Asa. If I no marry you, I go die, oh. Asa. If you name me masobugomo, asa. You dey make me lose control, oh. Asa. You asama, I go drink a garri with the petrol, oh. Asa. G asama, asa. I go sell all my property for our wedding ceremony. Asam pete wanyoma, your love dey sweet me die, oh. Asa. Now you be the one way I love, oh. Asa. Then the talk say I go leave you, but na lie, oh. Asa. Asa. If you name me masobugomo, asa. I beg you, make you no break in my heart, oh. Asa. Anything you want, I go buy you. Asa, asama. If my money no reach, I go borrow. Asa, asama. I don't know what I do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me well. Oh. Asa, now you with me go leave. Oh. Asa, if I no marry you, I go die. Oh. Asa. Asa, it be like say I don't crazy, oh. Asa, your love they turn me around, oh. Asa, asa, asa pete wanyoma. Asa, asa, omale chama. Asa, asa, asa pete wanyoma. Asa, omale chama. Asa, asa. Asam pete